Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting your audio files ready and iCloud Drive turned on. First, make sure the songs are in a compatible format like MP3, OGG, or Apple Lossless. Convert unstable formats before you proceed. Once done, check that iCloud Drive is enabled on the device you'll use to upload, iPhone or Mac, and that you're signed into the same Apple ID everywhere. Also verify you have sufficient iCloud storage, because uploads can stall when space is low. Now you upload the files into iCloud Drive. On iPhone or iPad, open Files, go to iCloud Drive, then tap the folder you want and use Share Save to Files or drag from another app. That immediately queues an upload. On Mac, open Finder and drop the audio files into iCloud Drive. Watch the sync icon to confirm transfer. Once transferred, organize tracks into a folder structure so you can find them quickly, and know that tags or metadata edits can be done after syncing. Finish by confirming sync and accessing your music across devices. Make sure upload icons have completed. If they haven't, check your Wi-Fi connection, power settings, and that low data mode is off. Once synced, you can stream or download tracks from files on iPhone, Finder on Mac, or iCloud. Calm in a browser. If something goes wrong, sign out and back into iCloud, restart the device, and re-upload a single test file to isolate the problem. This usually reveals whether it's a file, network, or account issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.